Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys a 2022 Yamaha 195S that just came into our brokerage program. So starting on the exterior here, you will see that the gel coat is in phenomenal shape. The boat looks absolutely amazing. You will also notice that this boat also was bottom painted. So that is what that different color blue is there on the bottom. It was stored here on the lake, on Lake Wylie. So the hull is in really, really good condition. Then as we go back to the swim platform back here, the S model does have the marine mat in that teak looking flooring and beautiful, beautiful swim platform on this boat. Then you also do have a Fusion radio remote hookup back here where you can operate everything on the radio. So really easy to reach spot as you're sitting down at the sandbar. Really convenient spot to control all the entertainment in this boat. Then as we get into the inside, you'll see that marine mat teak is also running all the way up to the bow. So really gives this boat a very classy look. Then as we get in, you look at all the upholstery, everything is in brand new condition. There is no rips, no tears, no stains. This boat was very, very well taken care of. Now, this being a 195S, you do get the Yamaha 1.8 super high output motor, which is a 250 horsepower jet drive, so absolute blast to drive. Then looking at the rest of the boat, you can see that all the upholstery is still in great shape all the way bow to stern. Boat shows really, really well. And then you'll also notice that there's snaps on the bow and also in the cockpit, and that is because it has a two-piece custom snap-on cover done to it. And this boat also has a total of 23 engine hours, as you see at the bottom of the screen right there. But this also has great little viewing for your speed or when you're at rest, your water temp. You got depth on the right, fuel on the left. And this even has your maps running through it, as well as all of your audio is going to run through it as well. So really, really awesome layout and a lot of connectivity this boat has, and it's in absolutely amazing shape. So if you guys have any other questions or you'd like to schedule a demo on this boat, please just let us know. And again, my name is Connor Marr, and I'm with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Our number is 803-831-2101. Thank you guys for watching.